Little storyteller.
A fluffy white bunny named Cottontail twitched his nose in Sunny Meadow. Above him, a big, bouncy cloud named Nimbus floated by. Nimbus wasn't like other clouds. He had a happy, smiley face and sometimes hummed little tunes. One sunny morning, Nimbus drifted over a very colorful building. It had giant candy canes for pillars and gumdrop windows. This was the Giggle Gumball Candy Factory. Inside, happy candy makers were mixing fruity flavors. Suddenly, Nimbus felt a tickle. He sneezed a big, fluffy sneeze, and out popped tiny, colorful blocks, just like building bricks. These weren't ordinary blocks, though. They smelled like yummy fruits, strawberry red, lemon yellow, and blueberry blue. Down in Sunny Meadow, the tiny fruit-flavored bricks began to fall like colorful rain. Cottontail, the bunny, hopped with delight as a red strawberry block landed on his nose. It smelled so sweet. Soon all the little animals in Sunny Meadow came out to play. There was Finley the fox, with his bushy orange tail, and Rosie the squirrel with her bright eyes. They gathered the yummy blocks and started building. Cottontail built a little fruity house. Finley made a tall, wobbly tower, and Rosie created a long, colorful train. They giggled as they snapped the sweet blocks together, and when they were done playing, they could nibble on their creations. Nimbus smiled down from the sky, happy to see everyone having fun with his fruity sneeze. He learned that even a little sneeze can bring joy and yummy treats to friends. Sharing his accidental candy rain made everyone in Sunny Meadow very happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.